Okay, for these examples we're going to work on the difference of cubes and the sum of cubes, and here are the formulas. Now there's kind of a way you can remember this. It's called SOAP. Minus, minus, plus, plus. So it's the same, that's the S. Then this next operation is the opposite, plus, minus, minus, plus. And then the AP is always positive. So the same, opposite, always positive. Okay, so for our first example, suppose we were given z cubed minus 27. So the first thing I ask myself is, can I write this as a cubed minus a cubed? So what cubed is 27? Well, 3. 3 times 3 times 3 is 27, then of course z. So this is like our a and our b, so we're going to apply the first formula up there. So it's going to be z minus 3 times z squared plus z times 3, plus 3 squared. And then we can simplify that as z minus 3, z squared plus 3z plus 9. Now this part that you get here, this quadratic, it won't factor, so don't spend any time doing that. So that's the end of that. Now for our second example, let's throw in some numbers. Okay. So imagine that you have imagine that you have 8 t cubed minus 125. So again, ask yourself if you can write this as, make it a sum, a cubed plus a cubed. So what cubed is 125? 5. And then what cubed is 8t cubed? Well, it would be 2t, because 2 cubed is 8. So this is our a and this is our b. So it'll be a plus b times a squared. Notice how I use parentheses. Make sure you square the whole thing. Minus a times b plus b squared. Okay, and so now we'll simplify this somewhat. So this is 2t plus 5. 2t squared is 4t squared. 2 times 5 is 10, minus 10t plus 25. And once again, this quadratic here won't factor, so this is the end.